Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Sa video ito, ituturo ko naman kung paano change ng statement into if, then, or conditional statements. And i-identify rin natin yung hypothesis and conclusion. So meron tayo dito ang 5 problem. For number 1, if you pass grade 8, you will be in grade 9 next school year. Now, paano natin to i-convert sa if, then, or conditional statements? So first, i-identify muna natin saan dito yung hypothesis and yung conclusion. Now, yung hypothesis, ito yung condition, okay? Para mangyari yung ating conclusion. So, ganito yan. So, yung condition natin dito is, you pass grade 8. So para ka you will be in grade 9 next school year, kailangan mong mapass yung grade 8. So, ito yung ating condition. Therefore, ito yung ating if clause natin. So, ganito yan. Magiging, if you pass grade 8, then, yung conclusion natin, you will be in grade 9 next school year. So, ganun lang yung pag-convert ng conditional statement. Then, yung hypothesis natin, yung if, you pass grade 8, then yung conclusion is yung then. You will be in grade 9 next school year. Now, for number 2, so, identify ulit natin yung condition dito. So, yung condition natin dito is, yung triangle, kailangan niya maging equilateral para maging equiangular siya. Okay? So, an equilateral triangle is equiangular. So, therefore, yung condition natin dito is, if a triangle is equilateral, then, yung conclusion natin is equiangular. So, therefore, yung hypothesis natin is itong may if a triangle is equilateral, then yung conclusion natin is itong may then. It is equiangular. And for number 3, all acute angles measures less than 90 degrees. So, yung condition niya dito is, kailangan yung angle is acute para mag-measure siya ng less than 90 degrees. Therefore, ito yung ating if clause, no? If the angles are acute angles. Yun yung ating if. Then yung conclusion natin, then, the measure is less than 90 degrees. Ganun lang mag-convert ng conditional statement. So, yung hypothesis natin is yung may if, the angles are acute angles. Then yung conclusion natin is yung may then. The measure is less than 90 degrees. Then for number 4, circles with the same centers are concentric circles. So, yung condition natin dito, dapat yung circles, same yung kanilang center. Then yung conclusion niya is, they are concentric circles. So, i-convert natin sa conditional statement. So, yung condition natin, if circles have the same centers, then, yung conclusion natin, they are concentric. So, ganun na. Hypothesis again natin, yung may if, circles have the same center, then yung conclusion natin is, itong may then. They are concentric. Concentric. Then, last number natin, the freezing point of temperature in degrees Celsius is 0. So again, yung condition natin, para maging freezing point yung temperature in degrees, so dapat yung measure niya is 0. Degrees Celsius pala is 0. So ito na yung conditional statement natin. If the temperature in degrees is in degrees Celsius, then the freezing point is 0. So, ganun na. So, yung hypothesis natin is, so may if the temperature is in degrees Celsius, then yung conclusion natin is, may then, the freezing point is 0. So, ganun lang yun. Sana marami kayong natutunan sa video ito. Thanks for watching.